Okay, so I'm back with another DIY video. This time I have my mom. Say hi, Mom. Say hi to YouTube and Facebook.
Hi.
You guys can't see either of us because both of us are fresh out of the bed, but we're out here getting it in. So, I have seen a million videos about painting your bed rail caps, but I haven't seen that one showing you how to pop the bed rail caps off. I don't know about all model trucks, but on the F-150 truck, it is no adhesive glue. They have little they have like some kind of little pins that hold them inside of these grooves, and all you do is pop them off. So we've popped the ones off of this side, and I'm going to pause for a minute and come back and see all this dirt and stuff under here. We're going to pause for a minute and come back and show you how to pop it off. Okay, so this is how you pop them off. Hold on.
Don't put it on me.
It ain't on you. Just don't drop the iPhone, baby. And that is how to pop it off. Okay, so this is the bed rail caps after being like all cleaned up. I just pretty much washed them in some regular car wash, and they're all nice and clean and now ready to be painted. So I'm about to spray it down with the automotive primer adhesion promoter. These are the products I'm using. I didn't use the one that the person in the tutorial stated. I am using the Krylon Max, which is a paint and primer. So I didn't use a primer, a separate primer. And the color I'm using is satin black. I have 2 cans of that. And then the adhesion promoter. And that's it. Those are my only products. Being that I popped mine off, I didn't need the newspaper or the painter's tape that I bought, so I'm taking it back. If you don't want to take yours off, if you want to just, you know, newspaper it up, then you get like some just regular painter's tape, a bunch of newspaper. Alrighty.